Hi, my name is Rodolfo Roman, and I will be your instructor to the class. Welcome to System and Analysis Design. In this video, I would like to guide you to the process and the layout of the course content. When you log into Blackboard, you will start in the Start Here section, and this is the screen that you are going to look at. As you can see in the beginning, you will see my instructor information, my name, my office, my cell phone. You can text me or call me. I will prefer to text me. You will have my office phone. You can call, or if I'm not there, you can leave a message. I will get back to you as soon as possible. You can send me an email, but I would prefer to use Microsoft Teams as message platform. You will need to log in with your South Texas College email, and it's a tool that we can actually chat, call, or have a video conference to help you out later through the course. You can just click it, and you will see it will bring up the website. You can use it through the website. We can use it through a desktop application for Mac or PC, and even you can download it to your phone, iOS or Android devices. The subject is going to be categorized by weeks or by chapters that we're going to see in the book. And later, just before the semester, I will start adding everybody to the group so everybody can have access to the chat room. I will recommend everybody to use Microsoft Teams. If somebody have issues with Microsoft Teams, I also have Discord available. So you can actually click Discord, accept the invite, and we'll go straight directly to the server that I created for the class. And it's going to be a better way to actually chat, collaborate between each other, and have a better understanding through the class. Again, you can message me, mail me, or text me anytime with any question. Please, at the beginning, go through all the information. I will want to go just forward over a little bit. You will see first the essential course information. We have a little bit of myself. You meet your instructor. I have the book information, name, author, ISBN, publisher, and I have a couple of links over there. You can use them, or you can use whatever links you have it. You can use the South Texas College library website. You can use Amazon, or you can use VitalSource for buy or rent the book. Actually, it doesn't matter. The important is that this book is required. Everybody needs to have it. After this information, you will see the program learning outcomes and the course learning outcomes. Again, required instruction material. It's going to be the desktop or laptop. It doesn't matter, it's a Windows or Mac computer. If you have a microphone, it's going to be a really good addition in order to have a chat or video conferencing. And a broadband internet connection in order to submit or have that conference whenever we need it. We have the guide on etiquette, what to do, and the end, student service and technical support information. Later, we have the syllabus, schedule, and course policies. You can actually download the syllabus. You will see the topic outline separated by weeks and the course grade. And this is going to be the important part. I separate the course in range of 20%. So the final grade is going to be 20% for homeworks, non-programming assignments, quizzes, and discussion. We'll have several quizzes and several discussions through the semester. The programming assignment will have 20%. We'll have two different exams, one on the middle of the semester and one final exam. Each exam will be 20%. And we'll have a final project for 20%. The grades is going to be determined, as you can see. Whenever you needed to see how well are you doing, you can go to My Grades link in the left menu in order to see how are the assignments being graded. I have also the student technical resource and support, where you can actually call with Blackboard chat, or you have different departments for support, even live support for distance learning, help desk, student services, etc. Accessibility and policy statements, and major determinant and policies that the college have. So please go through all the information before I start. When you finish to see this information, go to course content and go to week number 1. Through week number 1, I will describe different outcomes. I will describe different objectives for the week, what chapter needs to be read, what assignment needs to be delivered, and by default, every assignment is going to be due by Sunday, just before midnight, at the end of that particular week. My business hours are going to be Tuesday and Thursday from 12 to 1. In the syllabus, you will see that information, and it's going to be by appointment. I would prefer to do appointments through Microsoft Teams or Discord, online appointment. It's going to be better in order not to go travel out to here to the office. That way we can actually chat, have a little conversation in order to help you everybody, however is going to be needed. So please go through the information, then go to course content, week number 1, and just complete the information in there. Any question, any doubts, I'm here to help you guys. Have a good week. Welcome to the class.